to me. You cut it to me, Daddy. Did you?
You're welcome. A box! All right! I like boxes.
You will open the box. It's chocolate.
Do you want me to open this little princess baby?
Here, wait.
I need the paper up.
Cute, huh?
This one is from Grammy and Rob, right?
Hello,
Let's see what they got us. You. Okay, open the box, buddy.
Little princess baby. Don't lose her.
I can see her out.
Yeah.
What is it?
Daddy, it got for Daddy.
Dallas Cowboys. Oh, right.
Yeah.
What is that, Eli?
Oh,
A big hat.
you got a helmet.
Dad, you don't want a big one.
Yeah, put it on your head. It's a big one. It fits on your head.
Okay.
No, turn it the other way so you can see.
You need help?
Here,
I need help.
you got it? You're just like the football players on the TV.
Here,
Where's my
Bubba.
football?
All right.
Where's my football?
Where's your football? Here, look at Mommy. Let me see.
Cool, buddy.
Cool. And you look at your jersey. Just
Now
like
you have a
the-
jersey.
You can knock on your head.
Not it.
All right.
Enough.
Yeah. So,
Now
see?
yours.
Where's mine?
Where's my football?
Oh, your football. We'll go find it.